Subscribers, they will tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if you see sorry there was a problem with your request on Instagram, so how we can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just try to close your Instagram app and open again. And if it doesn't help you, just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find Wi-Fi. Just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also you can do it with cellular data or mobile data, turn on and turn off and turn on again. After, you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So after, you can just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restart your phone. And if it doesn't help you, just go to the general, just find here software update and check your iPhone for the latest updates. If you see here download and install, just tap on it and wait until it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your iPhone. So this is the way how you can also do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.